What is the origin of lean? Thanks for watching Valaction videos. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe link or like it down below. Thank you. Toyota is commonly credited with being the birthplace of modern lean and is the blueprint for how to implement it. One of the key early proponents there, Taiichi Ohno, is commonly thought of as the father of modern lean. A big part of the reason for this shift in manufacturing style was the fact that post-World War II Japan was struggling. The market was devastated by the war, and manufacturing needed to be retooled. It created a need for something different. While that is mostly true, there is more to the story. The Toyota family owned the company that provided the fertile ground for Ohno to succeed in, but it wasn't originally an automotive company. It was a textile company. Within this company, Sakichi Toyoda was the inventor of innovative looms that are the foundation of Jidoka, or automation with a human touch. These looms stopped when a thread broke, preventing problems. It was under the division of Toyota that made these looms that the automotive group was started. But many of the concepts of lean go far earlier than Ohno and Toyota. Henry Ford made great strides in creating flow, albeit rather inflexible flow with very little customization. The real key to this was his adoption of the methods popularized by Eli Whitney. Whitney made quality and standardization possible with his work on interchangeable parts. In truth, though, both of these men actually used existing ideas and improved upon them. For example, the Venetian Arsenal is widely credited as being the first true assembly line producing ships. Other lean principles popped up throughout history as well. Windmills and water wheels were early examples of separating people from machines, the precursor to Jidoka. Even the wheeled cart was an innovative example of early waste reduction. But the earliest recorded example of something that used a continuous improvement mindset was the stone scraper used by early man. They undoubtedly put the PDCA cycle to use to come up with a better way to clean hides. With each pass through it, they found progressively better ways to do the job. These early cycles might have taken generations, but the use of PDCA predates Deming documenting it by thousands of years. As far as the first publications about lean, the machine that changed the world is generally thought of as the first place that the term lean was used, and later, Lean Thinking was another book that really brought lean as a collective philosophy of production to the mass market. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeff Hajek. Best wishes on your lean journey.